Well, hello guys, it's ZLD here and welcome back to another video on Low Carb Kitchen. And today in this video, I will be teaching you how to make blueberry and Greek yogurt ice lollies. Let me cut to that bit.
Pow!
Okay, now for this you will need some blueberries, some Greek style yogurt, and 50 millilitres of water, which I'll measure using this cup that I use to measure my Lucozade when I have a hypo. So let's just do that. So and by the way, I'm getting all my recipes from the Low Carb Diabetes Cookbook if any of you want to get this. Okay, so what we'll need to do is we'll need to have 165 grams of blueberries, but first we need to wash them. First lot, 29 grams. Okay, that's 159, oh, 160, there we go. Gee, this scale's take a while to make their mind up, don't they? So what we need to do is we need to head over to the cooking pot with the water and the blueberries here. So what we need to do, we need to turn it on to high heat. There we go. Put that over there. Then what we need to do is pour this water in. Then we pour all the blueberries in. Now we just get a wooden spoon to stir it up with. Okay, so now next you need to gently bring them to the boil. Okay, now it's boiling. I'm just going to turn it down to simmer, down to low heat, and give them a wee stir. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
Okay, now this is just simmering away. We're going to weigh out the Greek yogurt. And we're just going to weigh it out straight into the blender. Zero it. Okay, oh, we need to take the lid off, right. Okay, zero it again. Okay, here we go. Now we can just scoop out this Greek yogurt with this spoon.
I might speed this bit up, Zach.
Yeah, speed it up. And 550, yay! Knew we'd get there in the end. So when our timer goes off, we're gonna put that in there and mix it. Oh, Alexa, off. There we go, turn the heat off. Now we just need to get 2 tablespoons of that, put it in there, then we can blend it up. Okay, so now we will put this lid on first, which is very important. Okay, then we can just put this on. Now we can have some whizzing fun. Now, this will be a bit noisy, guys, okay? Oh, wait, hang on, what? Is it even on?
You've not clicked it in. Okay,
Wait.
let's just go from taking it off.
Okay, put the lid on. Now it's time for some whizzing fun. Okay, that's on properly. Now this will be a bit noisy, guys. Right, let's give this thing a pulse. Okay, now let's have a wee look at it. Let's have a look. Oh, that looks good, doesn't it? Okay, now we just need to fill up the lolly containers. So I'm just gonna take that off. So the way I like to do it is I like to do layers on it, on the ice lollies, to make it look more interesting. So that's now one bit in each mold. Now we just need to pour this in.
Zach, I think I might speed this bit up again.
Okay. Okay. Now it's time to put the sticks on. So, and 6, there we go. Now, I'm gonna put them in the freezer and they take 6 hours to freeze. And also in the great tradition of television, here is one that I prepared earlier. So, I'm just gonna get this out by running it under the tap here, the hot tap. There we go. And this is only 11 carbs. So can you please hold me that for me, cup mustard, while I bowls for it? Just quickly. Okay, there we go. Okay, thanks. Wait till I put my pump away, thanks. That is really nice, guys. Honestly, that is so nice. Comment down below if you made them and if they taste nice. And as for now, guys, see you in the next video. Lolly out.